Wish you a very providential morning to all the worthy of honors, our esteemed principal, admirable teachers, and all patriots who are present here, and to all the teaching and non-teaching staff of the Bansraj Memorial School and my lovely student. Today, for me, it's very congenial and extremely elated to speak my heart out in front of you all on such a great day for our nation. So, before moving forward to my lines, I wish a very happy Independence Day to all patriots from the family of Bansraj Memorial School. As you all are here, so to everyone, I appreciate your time and your attention for coming here and motivating and appreciating our students and also to us. Without you all, I think our celebration will not be completed. So thank you all the guardians for coming here and giving your time to us. So ना हिंदू लड़े ना सिख लड़े ना लड़े मुसलमान ना पारसी लड़े ना जैन लड़े ना लड़े ईसाई जैन आजादी के लिए जिन्होंने दे दी अपनी जान वे सब के सब थे भारत के नेक इंसान. With these lines I am going to start my speech. So my dear listeners, I don't think we are celebrating this Independence Day in 1947 and today it's our 78th Independence Day. But everyone is knowing the reason why we are celebrating this day. So I don't think it's my need to tell you what is the meaning of independence and whatever. As the teachers of my school has already told you what is independence, why we got and how we got, what's its importance, and that's all. But do you think what they say and what you think is truly independent? Is we are truly independent? Anyone can tell me? Any parents or any student, anyone can tell me we are truly independent or not? It's only saying, and I am not disrespecting our freedom fighters, but they have taken many sacrifices and hardship to get freedom. I heartily tenure them and heartily pay attention on their hardship. But in your heart, we are not truly independent. People say, बेटी बचाओ, बेटी पढ़ाओ, फिर ले जाके किचन में बिठाओ. This is independent. Only you are teaching your allow your boys child to be study in schools and your girl children to be work in a kitchen. Is this independent is for you and your son? It is not for your girl. It is not living in India. She is out of India. No, she is also your family member and also nation member. So you have to teach your mind that how you value your son. Like that way, you have to value your daughter also. People say we are celebrating 78th year of independence. This year 2024, this is the 78th year of independence. People say we are celebrating its 78th year of independence, but with their positive, with their negative thoughts in their mind. They say, "Log kya kahenge?" And we say we are celebrating 78th year of independence, when still in mind that our girls are assessed, girls burn are assessed, but boys burn our celebration. लड़कियां जन्म लेती हैं तो कई लोग उदास हो जाते हैं, लेकिन लड़के जन्म लेते हैं तो उसे मनाते हैं. And we say we are celebrating our 78th year of independence. It has gone time to time, every year we celebrate, but it will be actually celebrated when you change your mind, when you change your thoughts. Not saying it's Independence Day, let's take a selfie and post on WhatsApp, post on Instagram and FB, and then independence completed. Next day when you come, it's all over. Nationalism done. No one is focusing on what is nation, what is India, what is independence. They are only thinking about them. This is independence? No. Like our parents take care of us every day, and we every day take care of parents, and we only 3 days take care of motherland. That is only Independence Day, Republic Day and Earth Day. 3 दिन में सारी बातें खत्म हो जाती है भारत के लिए। माँ बाप हमारी देख रेख डेली कर रहे हैं, हम अपने माँ बाप की देख रेख डेली कर रहे हैं, लेकिन भारत के लिए हम 3 दिन मना लेते हैं और बोलते हैं हम भारत से बहुत प्यार करते हैं। वो रिपब्लिक डे मना लिया, वो इंडिपेंडेंस डे मना लिया और वो अर्थ डे मना लिया। दैट इज नॉट इंडिपेंडेंस। हम ये नहीं कह रहे हैं आपको बहुत कुछ करने की जरूरत है, आप छोटे छोटे काम करके भी भारत की मदद कर सकते हैं, भारत को आगे लेके जा सकते हैं। अपनी सोच बदलिए, ठीक है। मैं ये नहीं कह रही कि सारी लोगों की सोच गलत है, पर जिनकी भी है वो बदल ले। लड़कियों को पढ़ाना, जब when you educate a son, you only educate a individual man, but when you educate a girl, you educate a family, a society, a community and a nation. जब आप एक लड़का पढ़ाते हैं तो केवल एक लड़का पढ़ाते हैं इंडिविजुअल, लेकिन जब आप एक लड़की पढ़ाते हैं तो आप एक अपना परिवार पढ़ाते हैं, अपना सोसाइटी पढ़ाते हैं, अपना देश पढ़ाते हैं। वो एक जगह नहीं रहती ना, वो जहाँ जाती है अपनी शिक्षा दिखाती है। With this, I am saying that this independence is not for you and not for me. It's for all upcoming generations who are born and who are still to born. Okay. And इस तो करता है हर कोई, महबूब पर मरता है हर कोई, कभी वतन पर मर के देखना, कसम से तुम पे मरेगा हर कोई। Thank you and have a such a great memorable day.